Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Love of Biology. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. So today we are going to learn about the leaf morphology of the angiosperms. First of all, what is leaf? So we know it develops at the node and helps in the photosynthesis because it contains the chlorophyll pigment. And leaves are of two types, simple and the broad leaf. First of all, let us see the simple leaf with a simple structure. You can see here with the picture the stalk, it is arising from the axillary bud. With below we can see the stipules, and leaf is broad lamina which helps in the photosynthesis and which is divided into midrib. It contains the midrib which are divided into veins and veinlets. Okay, so this is the simple leaf. Whereas a compound leaf, when the lobes of the lamina reach up to the midrib and breaking into smaller leaflets, we call it as a compound. Here two types of the compound leaf you can see, pinnately compound and palmately compound leaf. So pinnately compound leaf seen in the neem, tamarind like. So leaf, a number of leaflets are present on a common axis. So that is rachis. So which are seen in the neem. In palmately, the leaflets are attached at a common point. So this is the difference that is at the tip of the picture seen in the cotton bombax, that is silk cotton you can see. Next, venation. Venation is arrangement of veins and veinlets in the lamina of the leaf is venation. Here two types, reticulate and parallel venation you can see. When the veins run parallel to each other within the lamina, we call it as a parallel, seen in the monocots generally. Whereas in the dicots, reticulate we see, so where veinlets will form the network. Next, phyllotaxy, that is arrangement of leaves at the node of stem or branch. So these are divided into actually three types, alternate, opposite and roll type of phyllotaxy. So first one, let us see the alternate. We see this alternate type in a mustard, hibiscus, sunflower like plants. What is the speciality in this? So at each node only one leaf will arise, that is the alternate type. A single leaf arises at each node. So that is seen in hibiscus, sunflower, mustard. Next, coming to the opposite, each node if two leaves arise, we call it as the opposite. We see in the calotropis and guava, etc. Fine. So next, coming to the last one, that is roll type of phyllotaxy. If more than two leaves arise at a node and form a roll, we see this in the Nerium alstonia. So this type of arrangement we call it as a roll phyllotaxy. So these are the three types of arrangement of leaves on the node of a stem or any branch. So this pattern we call it as phyllotaxy. So three types. So examples are very important. Next, coming to the modifications of the leaf. So we learn modifications, that is changes. These are leaf tendrils, spines, phyllodes, trap or insectivorous leaves, epiphyllus or reproductive leaves, and storage leaves. One by one, let us see. First, leaf tendril. So in legumes, the leaflets, that is terminal leaflets, will convert into the tendrils for the climbing, seen in the Pisum sativum, that is the peas. So next is the spines. So here Openshire is example. So the leaves are modified into spines because to reduce, to prevent the water loss and also for the defense. So here the flattened structure is the stem and the spines are the leaves seen in cactus and Openshire. Next, coming to the storage leaves or fleshy leaves we call. So seen in the onion, that is Allium cepa, or Allium sativum, that is garlic. So these are to store the food. So these are modified. So fleshy leaves. So next, coming to the insectivorous leaves or the trap leaves. So these are modified. The leaf tip, that is apex region, is modified into a trap to trap the insects for the nitrogen. So nitrogen which is deficient in the soil. So plants are modified into these insectivorous trap leaves to trap the insects which contain the digestive enzymes which will digest the insect. So next, coming to the phyllodes of the leaf, that is acacia we see. So here in this phyllodes, so it is seen in the Australian acacia. So the leaves are pinnately compound in which the leaflets are small and short-lived. So the petioles in these plants will expand and become green and synthesize the food. So next, reproductive or the epiphyllus leaves. So these are seen in the bryophyllum. From the notches of the leaf, these will arise as buds with adventitious roots. Here are the different characters and modifications of the leaf with example. Pulvinous leaf base, that is swollen one. Leaf base we see in the legumes. Sheathing leaf base seen in the monocots. Pinnately compound leaf example is neem. Palmately compound leaf example is bombax, that is silk One alternate phyllotaxy, mustard, hibiscus, sunflower. Opposite one is Caryopsis goa. Rolled is seen in the Nerium alstonia. Tendrillar leaflets. Tendril leaf tendrils are seen in the Pisum sativum, that is a green peas. Leaf spines, Opuntia is example. Phylloid, Australian Acacia. Epiphyllus leaves, Bryophyllum. Trap leaves, Nepenthes. Dionia, nearly tendril or winged Nepenthes. Storage leaves, Allium cepa.